excited to just like sit in this beanbag chair all recess.
The furniture is fantastic. What I like best is that with a full class, the seating, we still have room to move around.
Well, the furniture is beautiful. It's welcoming and it's exciting because it looks very friendly and it's just perfect for what we do.
They're comfy and then I want to sit on them every day. I like to sit on them every time I sit indoor recess. It's comfortable.
It's comfortable and soft.
Más cómodo.
Más cómodo, more comfortable.
I like my desk because it's so nice. It's comfy.
I like the cushion because it's comfy.
The desk is so clean.
So I really like the desks because the desks are able to move. They have wheels, so you can roll them outside to the hallway if you need to test for some reason in the hallway, or you can even shift it around inside the classroom with the small children, and they have brakes on them. So even if the kids start to shift them and move them around, we could just throw on the brakes, stop them, and no one gets hurt. So I really like the desks. They're very functional.
We can put the tables together by 2s, 4s, we can rearrange them as we wish. So with walking in, it makes a big difference.
Wobble stool is kind of fun to wobble on.
When the students came in, they noticed a definite change. They were so excited to see the new furniture, and we asked them how it made them feel, and they said it made them feel respected. It made them feel honored by the district, like the district made them feel like they were the scholars that they were and they were ready to learn.
I usually always have to worry about my leg space, but with these new furniture, I don't have to.
It makes me feel like I could focus better because I don't focus on how dirty the class looks, and it makes it look pretty.
I like the new furniture because it makes me feel more organized, and the tables kind of look like pineapples when they're all together in a circle.
Las mesas son nuevas, sí. The tables are new.
Nueva silla?
New chairs. We got new chairs too. How does that make you feel?
Feliz.
Feliz, happy, yeah.
Really a wonderful way to start the new year. So teachers are happy because our kids are happy, and it's a beautiful space.
It's awesome.